Is your 2013 to 2015 Nissan Altima key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you money. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, available for $25 online or at auto parts stores. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a soft towel to protect the fob. Remember, these fobs use a 3-volt CR2032 lithium-ion battery to send radio frequency signals for locking, unlocking, and other functions. Let's get started. First, locate the seam on the key fob, typically near the key ring. Gently insert the screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the two halves. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once open, use the screwdriver to carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive side's orientation, usually facing up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Snap the fob back together firmly. If the fob still doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it by inserting the key into the ignition and turning it to the on position 5 times within 10 seconds. Looking ahead, eco-friendly rechargeable batteries are emerging, and DIY repairs are increasing. Future key fobs may even use solar power.